So a question that I got was, what should I talk about in a UX interview? And I think it's really important as a UX designer to talk about the process that you go through. Do you like to work on thumbnail sketches? Do you work on wireframes? Or do you go straight to high fidelity mockups? What do you use in terms of the tools that you use for wireframes? Are you using Sketch? Are you using Illustrator? Are you using something else? So these are all great things to talk about when it comes to UX design. Also, the platform that you'd like to work on most. Do you mostly like to work on web? Do you like to work on mobile? So these are all kinds of things that you could talk about in a UX interview. So a lot of people ask me, what kind of development should I learn if I'm becoming a UX designer? And it's becoming increasingly popular that UX designers know about code and how to code. And so I think it's definitely important to understand the basics of code when it comes to software development in any type of software development role that you're in. But UX designers don't necessarily need to be able to code or program. What should I work on as a UX designer? And I think the important thing to do is to look at the UX design process, and then from that, identify what works and what doesn't work. What is the UX design process? So it's different depending on what kind of company you're at. But typically we see ideation or the development of some sort of idea or requirement, then wireframes or thumbnail sketches, high fidelity mockups, prototypes, and then asset extraction. And of course it gets a lot more advanced than that, but that's the overall gist of it.
Woo!